Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you guys on a step-by-step process on how to download or install X application on your device. Make sure to watch the video till the very end, and if you're new to this channel, then don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you'll be notified with our latest videos. The X application is the modified version of the Twitter app. The first thing we're going to do is open our Google Play Store. After opening your Google Play Store, you'll be on the home page. From the home page on the very top, you can see a search bar. On the search bar, you'll have to tap X app. And here, as you can see on the very first option, that is the X application, and all you'll have to do is tap on the install button that is located right here. Once you tap on the install button here, you'll have to wait for some time. And just like that, here as you can see, you have successfully downloaded or installed your X application on your device. You can recheck it by going back. And there, as you can see, the app is located right there on your home screen. That was an easy step-by-step tutorial on how to download or install X application on your device. Thank you for staying to the very end of this video. I hope you found our video helpful. If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe. Have a good day.